Hello friends, so today we are going to learn about pneumatic system and its components. So first of all we clear that what is pneumatic system. So pneumatic system is defined as a system that uses compressed air to transmitting and controlling energy in various industries is known as pneumatic system. This system mainly works by using a contact compressed air supply which is provided by an air compressor. The compressor takes air from the atmosphere and stores in a reservoir which is known as high pressure tank. After that, this compressed air is supplied to the system through a series of valves or pipes. Pneumatic system is totally works upon pressurized air. The meaning of pneumatic is pressurized air. In this system, the full system is works on pneumatic air. Now we see the block diagram of pneumatic system. The construction of pneumatic system can be done by using different components. Pneumatic system components mainly include intake filter, compressor, cooler, separator, motor controller, center, reservoir, pressure switch, secondary air treatment, control valve and actuator. Pneumatic system line diagram is shown below in a screen. Now we talk in detail about the components of pneumatic systems. The first, intake filter. An intake filter is used to filter out the pollutant from the air, which is also known as an air filter. The air which enter from atmosphere is filtered by intake filter which enter in compression. So second is compressor. The main function of this compressor is to reduce the volume of air and increase the air pressure. Converts atmospheric air into pressurized air. We talk about motor control center. The motor in this system is used to supply mechanical energy to the compressor because the motor function is to change the energy from electrical to mechanical. The cooler. The cooler is used to decrease the temperature of the compressed air. Separator. The separator is used to separate the moisture or water vapor within the air. Where the reservoir is in the system is high pressure tank used to store the compressed air which is coming from the air cooler. Air treatment. The air treatment in the above system can be separated into three stages. So in the first stage, the large size particles are banned from entering the compressor through an intake filter. The air extending from the compressor may have a high temperature, so it is treated in the next stage. In the final stage, the compressor air the temperature is decreased within a cooler and the compressor air can be dried through a dryer, means separator. Pressure switch in the above system are used to detect the increase or decrease in air pressure, which are either chargeable or not adjustable. These switch are used in vacuum or pressure applications. Control valve. The control valve in the above system is used to change the airflow direction. In our last video, we fully learned about control valve. So if you not seen about control valve, so go to my YouTube channel and see the video of control valve. Actuator. In a pneumatic system, the air actuator is an essential part of the main function of this is to use compressed air energy which is also called pressure energy and change it into mechanical energy so we can get the final output from the air actuator. In simple word, I explain you about actuator. So actuator is a device which is work upon pneumatic air pressure. If we supply air from A, so the plate goes upper side, and we supply air from B, then the plate moves lower side. In this way we convert pneumatic energy into mechanical energy. We talk about pneumatic system working principle. At first, the air is taken directly from the atmosphere by using the air filter. This air is cleared and purified within the air filter. These filters are essential because if the air is used directly from the atmosphere, it can damage the compressor. After that, the air can be supplied to the air compressor, which is driven by the mechanical energy produced by the electric motor. Air compressor increases the air pressure and decreases its volume. When the air pressure is increases, then its temperature can also be increases. Thus, in the next step, compressor air is transmitted to the air cooler, which reduces its temperature, but its pressure will remain the same even after reducing its temperature. So now we learn pneumatic system. If you all understood about pneumatic system, so like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.